a big crisis of not having enough teachers, not having enough nurses. And we can only improve as a society by having more people that are educated.
The Department of Justice is suing Colorado over policies that provide in-state tuition and financial aid to undocumented immigrants. I'm glad you're with us tonight. I'm Shannon Ogden. Now, the DOJ alleges that those policies are unconstitutional and discriminate against U.S. citizens. Well, tonight, Denver 7's Claire Lavazorio taking a closer look at these claims, and she also spoke with an immigrant rights advocate vowing to fight this one in court.
Immigrant rights activist Brandon Gerke Quintanilla is fighting back against a federal lawsuit filed against Colorado Thursday.
Education should be a right for everyone.
The Trump administration is suing Colorado for allowing undocumented students to pay in-state tuition. The state's Asset Act grants in-state tuition and financial aid to all students who complete their senior year in Colorado, regardless of immigration status. But this complaint argues that law discriminates against out-of-state students by giving undocumented immigrants preferential treatment. A DOJ release says, quote, this Department of Justice will not tolerate American students being treated like second-class citizens in their own country, though Quintanilla sees it as a broader attack on immigrants.
Are you worried about the impact this will have on undocumented students?
I think that they stand on pretty flimsy ground, making some of these claims from the Department of Justice, but these threats are still real.
But some Denver 7 viewers support the government's lawsuit, some commenting, quote, about time and thank you. Finally, a government looking out for the taxpayers. To learn more about what's at stake, we spoke with civil rights attorney Andy McNulty, who says the lawsuit lacks legal merit.
This lawsuit is basically an attempt by the Trump administration to bully states into complying with its harsh immigration mandate.
He remains optimistic about Colorado's chances in court.
I'm pretty confident that a court in the 10th Circuit would rule in favor of Colorado in this case.
The Trump administration has now filed 14 lawsuits challenging in-state tuition policies. In Denver, Claire Lavazorio, Denver 7.
And Denver Mayor Mike Johnston released a statement in response to the lawsuit. He says, this is a slap in the face to countless Colorado children who have grown up believing the American dream also applied to them. He says it's cruel and unnecessary, and we will fight it every step of the way. And there are currently about 6,700 undocumented students in colleges and universities in Colorado.